Hi there! In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to calculate your shipping costs directly from the order summary page. Once you've finished adding your rooms to the order, start by entering your email address and phone number. Then click the Final button. A pop-up will appear asking if you'd like to add more rooms before proceeding to shipping. If you're all set, just click OK. Now, click that Final button one more time. This will take you to your order summary, where we can estimate your shipping totals.
Please click the Estimate Your Shipping Cost button.
From this page, look for the section labeled Enter Your Zip Code. Let's try an example. If your zip code is 14,427, enter it here and click Update. The system will instantly calculate and display your shipping cost. If you need to change your address or try a different zip code, simply edit the field and hit Update again to see the new total.
Once you're happy with the shipping estimate, click Proceed to Checkout. On this screen, you'll enter your billing address. If your shipping address is the same as your billing, just check the box to copy that info over.
Finally, read through our terms and conditions. Check the box to confirm you agree, then click the PayPal button to complete your secure payment. And that's it! Your order is on its way. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching!